Hey guys, my name is Naomi Salami and welcome to Anything Content, where I provide anything about content on this platform. And this week we'll be getting deep into my personal writing style, how I was able to learn content writing, and who were the people that I shadowed. When I say shadow, I mean people that I copied their writing style till I got my own. So let's get started. Starting with my personal favorite, Zikoko Mag. Now, if you're familiar with Zikoko Mag, you will know that most of their writings always have this hint of storytelling in it. You just can't put down their piece. So I was always checking out their sheep section, heart section, which is to talk about stories of African women, finances. The sheep section, I just basically liked it because I like Amebo and I like to read about relationships. Also, it's easy to do a video about these things because you come on, you talk. It's also another thing to put those stories in written words. So it was kind of interesting to see how their different writers were able to accomplish this. So I signed up to their newsletter. Every time I got a message from Zikoko Mag, I was checking it out. So if you're a new writer just trying to find your writing style, I would advise that you kind of copy someone's own first or a group of people's own first till you get that style that you feel like it is yours. But for now, just try to shadow these people. Second platform, pulse.ng. If you're in Nigeria, you should know them as well. So apart from their normal news that you see on Instagram or on TikTok, if you go to their platform, you will see how they write some of their entertainment section. That was where I spent most of my time on whenever I went to pulse.ng. And it was also another great place for me to just know how different people wrote their articles, wrote their pieces, wrote their stories. And yeah, in time, I was able to find my footing. The next platform would be Medium. Now, Medium is like a popular place for writers to just, write finance, entertainment, stories. And I was able to delve into different people's writing style. It was hard just staying on one place, but it kind of taught me how a lot of people wrote. Some people wrote with very high feelings. Some people were very descriptive. Some people were fun. Some people kept me entertained. Some people made me sleep. So yeah, if you also want to find your footing in this content writing thing, check Medium. Another place for you to check is Substack. Now, Substack, I had two people that I subscribed to their writing pieces that I always followed. So these are popular content creators in Nigeria. We have Hawa and we have Hamda. And their newsletters always, I don't know, it always struck something within me for a written piece to always bring out certain types of emotion from people. It must be really powerful. So I kind of shadowed those two for a while. So if they ever watch this video, if they ever seen this video, guys, thank you. You might not know how your writing style helped me, but it did help me. So thank you for that. And the last place, legit.ng. So this is also another Nigerian platform. Well, I'm in Nigeria. So yeah, another Nigerian platform where I learned how to write. Also, the place I mostly went to when I went to Legit was their entertainment piece. Why? Again, because I like Amebo. Yeah. But also I wanted to see how they were able to convey their story different from Paul's. And yeah, it was different. It was an eye-opener. Yeah, they tried to put storytelling in it, but I feel like it came from the newsy angle, and it wasn't really my style. I tried to shadow their style for a bit, but it wasn't really my style. So out of all these places that I mentioned, which one's my favorite? Zikoko Mag. Personal advice, open their platform, be downloading everything they've written into your head. With time, you'll just notice that you'll start writing better. Anyway, these are just some of the people that I shadowed for a while before I actually really got good in my content writing. And I was able to find a style that was more me and not any other person. And I hope this has helped someone today. Stay tuned for my Women's History Month video special kind of thingy. I'll be delving into something deep and a little bit personal about me, so stay tuned. I hope this video has been educative, informative, and interesting as the other ones I've been doing, or even better. So until next time, guys, bye.